Well, I'm out the front of the opposite lock store. Now, apparently, there's a whole heap of cutouts at Jeremy's and all opposite lock stores everywhere. So this is what he said, he needs rescuing. So I've got to go in and I've got to steal his little cardboard cutout. It's going to be piss funny. Hey, bro. Yeah, just, yeah, good, mate. What's been happening? No, I might just have a bit of a look around, I think. Yeah. Cheers, mate. Hey, Jeremy. You ready to get out of here, mate? All right, bud, let's go. Hey! I'm here with my friend Jeremy. Okay, he is absolutely fabulous at conversation, this fella here. But we're going to be watching, he actually is here. Anyway, we are going to be watching the most viewed TikTok videos. I reckon it's going to be pretty mad. What do you reckon, Jeremy?
I'm looking forward to it.
I hope Jeremy shows a bit more emotion than the cardboard cutout. Have a crack. Oh, that's got to be the wrong camera angle.
Well, I've seen other cars do that, but I'm pretty sure that's not on.
There's no way. There's no way. I call bull. Oh, what's going to happen here? This has got to end.
Is he putting his crab pots in or what?
No. What's he doing? The dog. Nice dog. What's he pulling out? Oh, he's netting.
Holy...
Can you imagine the rust in that thing? Holy moly! It's a Nissan fishing trawler. What, Bandura?
Wow.
What, shorty cruise? Is
That
it
looked,
going to
like
end badly?
that looked like your patrol the other weekend.
It did. Oh, we got a...
Ooh, bit of a train going on.
Yeah, yeah. Man, listen to that thing.
He's up it.
That is wicked. What's it? That must be a dead one.
Another one. How many are in there? It's a road train of Land Cruisers.
I nearly said something else, but I can't say that on camera. Have a crack at it. Man. Well, apparently they say there's nothing like the dirt track, Jeremy.
Oh, wow. Oh, my God. I love your car. What do you do for a living?
I sell NFTs.
NFTs?
Nice. Wow. Have a great day.
Oh, it's cold there.
That'll be you in a couple of weeks.
Oh, yeah. Ooh. It's a Mitsubishi, will it start? Of course it will. Oh.
Frozen field?
Come on. Come on, you can do it.
Pull the choke.
It's fuel injected.
I know that. You need to pull the choke sometimes.
Pull me finger. Come on, you can do it.
It's like a train.
It is.
9 o'clock, express. Oh my God. What has Matt done to us?
Not today.
Oh, there we go.
What's
No,
a diesel? It's a diesel. I thought it was a petrol Triton.
That was a premature.
Oh,
He's got a good battery. Need to find out what battery he's got in that.
that's an Ultima of something. Has this person ever heard of glow plugs?
You've done this.
Yeah, I've done that. Was he going to send it though and just go badus? Because I was pretty controlled coming down because I didn't want to trail the old 62. You've done it too.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's gunshot. Cape York.
Yeah. I reckon that's probably even the same hole that we both went down when we went up.
Oh, he drove
Oh,
it.
you drove it.
Oh, that's because...
Good job.
That's because the 62 cleared it out for him.
Everyone is stopped behind the truck, but this guy decides to go over it.
Yep. He's either an impatient man or he is going to go and help the truck. I've got a feeling he helps the truck, doesn't he? He goes around and he hooks up, because I think I've seen this a long time ago. But this is a wicked ram. He's got some awesome suspension in this. Hasn't he?
Absolutely unreal. Look at the flex on that. That is absolutely
Is
immense.
old mate drinking a beer?
Probably. If it's in Australia, it's definitely drinking a beer.
Yeah. Well, it's not in Australia. Is it? Is it in Australia? Is it Australia?
They look like Australian plates. Like, no turn.
It could be.
It's a serious rig.
Absolutely. Could be Australia.
That's
actually.
Australia, the national heavy vehicle
Yeah,
plate.
it's Australia. But the ram threw me, especially being modified like that.
Yeah. He doesn't want a bit of
Man.
panel damage.
No, but that was wicked. Did you see the flex?
What a legend.
Put that at the end. Oh, man, that's. Come on!
Hope he's running his planes.
Unspool the winch.
You know, when you're sitting in the car, the person who's winching for you can never get the winch out fast enough, can they?
No. Man, but what's he doing? Oh my gosh. What? That's a rookie error. Proper. But he's not even. Run, mate, run!
He's got his.
What's he doing? And he's going around the
He's
tree.
got his ballet shoes on. He's dancing.
What's he? Where's the tree trunk protector? Are they allowed to winch straight off like that, are they? He's going to need a he's going to need a bilge pump to get the water out of that thing. What is he doing?
What the hell?
Has he got it in freeze pool? And then he's standing right in the danger zone.
That man needed a tutu and a pair of ballet flats. Oh!
That was wicked. That was wicked. Oh.
Can anyone see I need a new sump? So apparently I've watched the video before, and this guy sticks his wiener in the window of the car in a little chimney. Sticks his wiener.
Just start again. Who puts a wiener in the window? Who puts that wiener in the window?
No, he puts his wiener in the window and then rolls it up, and then he wants to see whether, you know, what the result is of putting his wiener in the window is.
That's got to end badly. That's got to end badly.
Driver's side first.
See, wiener, window.
Oh, that never gets old.
Does that give you nightmares?
Imagine if it was his real wiener. Oh, Bobbitt's got nothing on that.
Cucumber.
Ooh. Ooh.
Bit of a dent,
That'd hurt.
but safe. Ooh, a little bit of a chomp there, but not too bad. Hand test.
Ooh.
Nothing.
He wasn't gave enough to stick his wiener in there.
No. Oh! That makes me.
That is brutal.
That's brutal, all right. Stick your hand in there, bud.
Well, we know next time we go camping, we'll just put wood in there.
Oh, it's hump day. It reminds me of the dog. Yeah, the dog. Especially Craig's at Highfield.
Well, you got one of those dogs that constantly drags his butt across the ground. It's like, I've got an itch and I can't scratch
Oh,
it.
here we go. Another gunshot one.
That must
Yeah.
be a fairly old one.
I don't know. Oh, mate's going all right in the 105. Oh, then he gets to this point where he goes, Bodos! Oh, he drove
Oh,
it!
he drove it.
Good on you, bud!
What?
What is he doing? Oh, so he's trying to pull his sidestep down. That's not a bad idea.
Roadside panel beating.
Yeah, but that's not working very well. Hey!
That was.
Just get out the other door, mate.
That was going to be a pry bar in the face.
Hey!
Hey,
Oh, look at that.
that was the weekend.
Oh, that was a bit like the weekend.
That was old Yeller
Oh,
doing a couple of leg lifts.
but you
We're working out the thighs.
oh, this is going to end badly, surely.
Americans are like that.
Yeah, but that was never going to go anywhere. Oh,
Maybe
man, even that.
well, it's DMW, forge your own path.
It is, it is.
They are.
They are forging their own
Forging
path. Oh, that just gives me
Wow, look at the
nightmares.
tyres on that.
Go the Jeep. You know what you need there in this instance? Is a Y62 with no pumpkins. See all the pumpkins getting caught in the mud?
Hey.
Oh, you nearly got her.
Brute force and ignorance fixes
Oh,
everything.
I tell you what,
Except for that.
and some horsepower.
Jesus.
Woohoo!
I know somebody else that drives like that.
You having a go at me? Come on, he's going to soot the big girl up. It's even puffing
Jeez,
smoke before he gets
shouldn't
up.
stand still.
Come on, the big power stroke. Oh, that was a
No.
disappointment.
All show and no go.
Oi, what's it?
Oh, deuce and a half.
What's it called?
Deuce and a half.
A deuce and a half.
Yeah, that's like the American version of our trucks.
Oh, well, I was expecting better, to be honest. You're in the military. Why wasn't it better?
Because it's not from Australia.
What the? This is you on the Friday night. This is what you do on your Friday night.
Playing with my pulse.
Oh. Well, lads, you're special and I like you.
You reckon that's Sydney or Melbourne?
I don't know, but they looked like they were having a good time. Well, I tell you what, that was an absolute cracking episode, I reckon. I had so much fun doing that. Well, guys, if you like this, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. And yeah, send in some mad content that you guys have been doing so we can check it out. Did you have fun, Jeremy?
I did. You actually saw a smile on my face for a change.
I tell you what, guys, you must feel very privileged because Jeremy doesn't smile very often. Cheers, guys. Well, I hope you liked that video. Make sure you hit subscribe or you're going to get bogged.